This property is a detached country house of 75 square meters located in the outskirts of Paglieta, a beautiful village at just 10 minutes drive from the Trabocchi coast. The property is fenced and accessed by a gate that opens into a large internal courtyard. The property also is surrounded by 7,900 square meters of land. The house stands on two floors and it is divided in two parts. The first part, on the ground floor, is composed by a kitchen with a fireplace and a wood-burning stove. And a bedroom with some storage space. This floor also avails of vaulted ceilings. The external staircase takes us to the first floor, where we find two bedrooms featuring vaulted ceilings and original black and white checkerboard floor. The master bedroom avails of double exposure and a balcony enjoying a view on the surrounding hills, countryside, and a distant sea view. The entrance to the second part of the house is located on the ground floor and opens into a corridor. Along the corridor, there is a living room and a bathroom with shower facilities, both internally restored. The internal staircase leads us to the first floor, where we find the access to the terrace with a panoramic view. The terrace needs flooring and railing. The property is in habitable condition. The older part of the house needs some renovation. Water and electricity are connected. Gas is easy to connect, so at the moment the house does not avail of central heating system. And it's on the market for 80,000 euros.